What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and I've been working hard in the warehouse. I just got a new racking there and trying to figure out where everything goes. I was running out of room in here and it didn't make sense. I knew I had more room. So I bought some racking and I made it work. I didn't always have a warehouse. In fact, I've only had a warehouse for about a month now. Before that, I was in my garage running my rental company from my garage. It took me about 3 years to get here, but I'm here now and it's time to make this space mine. So I'm 5'6", I'm quite short, so getting to things up high really sucks. So these scaffoldings, they work in so many ways, right? You can transport poles through the middle of them from one end of the room to the other. You can put both of them on the bottom row, and then you can wheel things out to your customers, or wheel it out there and make them stack the rentals and wheel it in. But I use this one as stairs. So basically I climb on the, put a table right up here and then climb up the stair and then get them up here, right? So with me having 2 levels in my warehouse here, this is how I get to everything. This is how I get to everything. It's perfect. Okay, let me give you an example. Oh, these 6-foot tables are so high up here. I'm only 5'6". Whatever should I do? Bling! Rolling stairs for the win. And by rolling stairs, I mean mini scaffolding. Set it right here. Grab the table that I want. But then set it right here. Now step down and then take it. So basically, it's a stair and a shelf. Because you can use it as a shelf and a stair. And then bam, just roll this over here. What do I need from up here? Well, I actually need this podium for tomorrow, so I might as well bring it down. Okay, so I go up here. Grab the podium. Put it on the shelf. Climb down. And grab it down. Voila. Winning. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And stay tuned for the next one. As always, you stay classy.